Today we're gonna be unboxing the B650E AORUS Elite XAX Ice. This is empty. And inside we've got the antenna, pretty basic. It's white as well, which is good. We've got a single SATA cable, if I'm not mistaken. No, there's two of them actually. Two SATA cable. One of them is has a bend, like a 90-degree bend. So there's that. Installation guide. We've got here the oh hello. This is the pin connector for the front of the case. Hello. The G connector, okay. And this is it. Looks really good. Like the way you install the M.2. These are the ports.